What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying that today's video was all about the overreaction / stock market sell-off today in the market, guys. But hey, listen, if I helped you out in any way, what I was help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, guys, I gotta share this with you, man. Matter of fact, another day is in the book. Before I jump into that, please let me know down below if you did your thing on the day. I'm so proud of so many of you listening, taking advantage of buying puts. Okay, I did the same thing. Once again, I did my thing in options, but I'm getting crushed by some of the stocks. They got crushed today in the stock market sell-off, okay? And I'm going to talk to you guys all about that. But again, as I often say, again, two things. One reason why investors, we don't look at the stock market every day, because you can ignore days like this. You won't see this type of day normally, because if I wasn't doing this for you guys, I'm the type, I believe in my investments. I'll just check how I'm doing at the end of the year type stuff. So you will miss a day like today, a random December 1st, you would miss this, okay? But on the flip side, you want to, again, it's bittersweet because although we got the sell-off we was looking for, again, it's never fun seeing your portfolio come down. But let me show you guys. Let's jump in here real quick. You already know, guys, very few people are like this, but I'm gonna always show you my wins. I'm gonna always celebrate that, but I gotta celebrate the down days too. Now these are paper losses, but check this out. Look at around 320 today. I was down $25,000. Okay, now remember, you don't lose if you don't sell. Again, I'm very big on that, okay? I'm a buy and hold guy. I'll weather this storm. Again, when all your plays is down and getting crushed, when you guys get a bigger size portfolio, the losses look a little bit more substantial. But again, it pays to remain composed. It pays to remain 10 toes down, guys. Listen, I want to show you those types of things so that you know too, if you're going through that, depending on how you set yourself up, again, these things will come back full circle. This stuff was down 12% right now, so some of it has been made back up. But again, 25,000 in one day, 10,000 yesterday. This crash is giving us a buying opportunity, and it sets you up actually for a massive run up. So I'm not tripping at all. Again, the pain is to be, again, you can't ignore it, but it's a buying opportunity, and that's what I want to talk to you guys about today. But for real, let me know if you guys made money on a day and did your thing, at least with some puts and maybe temporarily with some calls before the market went down. Speaking of going down, let's talk about the catalyst that brought the market down, okay? For every action, there's a reaction, okay? So California confirms nation's first Omicron variant coronavirus case. Okay, as expected, the Omicron coronavirus, I call it Omi and the Hellcat, guys, because we get demonetized for saying that word. So please know that. Please know how the thing go on YouTube. You can't say COVID. You can't say a lot of words, okay? And you can't say this word either. I already said it, so I'm already gonna get demonetized. But when you hear me say and playfully say stuff like Omi and Hellcat, I'm not trying to make light of it, especially if it does something fatal to somebody. But you just got to come up with different words to call this, because they mess your channel up. But anyway, it reached the US with the first case found in California. The first case of this variant has been confirmed in San Francisco, putting California once again at the center of the nation's pandemic response. Officials said the infected individual had returned home from South Africa on November 22nd. A few days after arriving, the person began to feel ill and got tested. Okay, listen, guys, always know your catalyst. Know why your stocks went up. Know why the market crashed. Know why your stocks crash. Okay, this is all this is, guys. This alone brought my portfolio down $35,000. Okay, since since before Thanksgiving, that Friday. Okay, you add it all up, $50,000 it brought it, just this alone. Okay, let alone Jerome Powell saying whatever he was saying about tapering, okay, or changing his tune. Those are the catalysts, but all that is temporarily. This is why I say to you all, don't panic. Don't panic. This too shall pass. These things are news today. Watch 2 or 3 weeks from now when this cycle runs its course and they're not talking about it no more, and then the market goes on a little rally. That's what this video was about today. In terms of things I need you guys to load up on, listen guys, DraftKings, ticker symbol DKNG. Look at this, down 9.5% today, sitting at $31.25. Guys, I couldn't be more happy to see this. Now, this is what I mean when I say we're waiting for a pullback, okay? This is what I mean when I say we're waiting for a correction. Sometimes those red days, they're annoying because they don't pull the stock price down far enough. This is good stuff right here. Now, because it came through my levels, okay, I already did the research on all of these plays. Because it came through my technical levels, now I have to be responsible in terms of how I guide you. Okay, so remember, we're nibbling, we're getting our position established, but don't forget about your stop loss, okay? Because now I need to see, will we find support for this at 30, 29.50, or will this level right here be it, and then will we begin to shoot back up slowly but surely at this level? It remains to be seen, but you guys got to stay tuned and tapped into each of these videos so I can continue to give the guidance on how you guys got to set yourself up, okay? The next one, Palantir, guys, ticker symbol PLTR. Patience pays. I've been watching this play come down. It got stuck in the 21s. I'm looking like, man, I know we can do better than 21, okay? Then it got stuck in the 20s, but it showed a lot of strength in the 20s, trying to hang out at the low 21s, high 20 level. But finally, guys, it came down to 19. Matter of fact, today it came down to 19.29. And check this out. I added some more shares. So look, this is why we nibble, okay? I added some more shares. I had this at 20.48. I always try to buy at $20.50, $20 even, $19.50, $19. I always try to shoot for levels like that, okay? So it makes it really easy for me to keep up with how I'm going to hit all these home runs, okay? So look, I had it at 20.48, but when it came to 19, I averaged down. I bought some more. I put that in the Discord today, so make sure you check the buy and sell alerts so that you guys can see at what price did I get this at, okay? But I bought some more today, and it brought my average cost down from 20.48 to 20.12, okay? I'll continue to watch it. Hopefully we see 18, okay? I want you guys to beat the teacher. Hopefully we see 17.50 before it begins to change course, and then we can fully have our position established and be prepared to ride this back up for what should be another home run, okay? But look, everybody do me a favor. I won't hold you guys long. I just need you to do me this one thing. As you build out our bangers, as you build out these plays for me, okay? Check this out. Okay, my stop loss is on for this at 19. Now I'm showing you this because this is how you guard yourself. You see how this variant, this COVID variant came out of nowhere and it brought my portfolio down $50,000. Okay, when things like this happen, the way that you fully protect yourself, especially in a high risk play, okay, you want to have this. So if it come down to 19, I love Palantir. Palantir is a beast. All I'm gonna do is take these 199 shares plus what I currently got, and I'm going to buy it at 18.50, okay? Or if it comes closer to 18, I'll get it at 18 even, then boom, I'll set another one. Hopefully it don't ever get triggered and we don't got to worry about it, then we ride it back up. Do me a favor, if you ever trying to do easy money plays, if you ever trying to make some quick money, always put your stop loss on. Matter of fact, let me go through the process of showing you guys how to put your stop loss on. Figure out how to do it on whatever platform you use, if it's not Robinhood or Webull. But check this out, guys. You hit buy, you hit trade, then you hit sell, okay? And then at the top, you're going to hit this drop down bar where it says shares, and then simply put, you go down here and you put stop order, okay? And when you put a stop order in, it allows you to set it. Like, let's do this. I talked about 1750. I would set this at 1750. I always go out pretty far just in case. You never know when the market may drop. And then I got 200 shares available to do this with. I'll put 200 shares up, and then boom, I'm protecting $3,500 just like that, guys. And then you swipe up from there, lock it in so you protect yourself. Always, I don't care if I give you a play in the Discord, I don't care if I give you any kind of play. Yes, my thought is that it's going to go up, but the market is manipulated. The market is a shady business ran by shady people, okay? So they do all kind of weird stuff. All of this sell off, I ain't gonna even tell y'all what it's really doing. They blame it on the COVID variant, Omicron, but it's some obvious things that they're truly doing. We don't need to discuss that. Just know, protect yourself. Just remember that. Chris always say, look out for yourself, protect yourself, okay? This is the stop loss. This is how you do that. Now, I got a paper loss that I'm just gonna live through and let it come back full circle, okay? $50,000, it should come back. I'm not worried about it. It's just, it gives me content to kind of share with you guys so I can show you being down, so that you don't even think that I don't ever go through periods of being down. You're gonna go through being down. You don't have to be down and out, or you don't have to lock it in. And you can avoid going down altogether by doing stuff like this, putting your stop loss on. I didn't necessarily put one on the particular play that I'm down in, okay, because I'm not trying to lock it in. But I don't want you guys losing money in your high risk plays when you can just get out and jump back in and ride it back up. Okay, keep losses to a minimum on your journey as you try to hit 10K, 100K, 50K, 25K, okay? That's how you want to go about this, all right? Listen, guys, I won't hold you up today. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll see you all in the next one.